Hi, Jim Matthews here for Champion Trading Corporation. Today we're testing a Tri Clover PRE 25 lobe type sanitary pump. Those two lobes mount right on the front and it's enclosed, and it's ideal for doing, in this case it was doing food, probably salad dressings, condiments, heavy products. You can do all kinds of products in this sanitary, food, pharmaceutical, etc. It's set for PRE 25. It'll probably go 25, a little more GPM. It goes up. Here's your variable speed Reeves Vari Drive. Portable mounted on casters. The facial plate and the two lobes are mounted right on the shafts.
Website?
Find it on our website at champtrading.com. Have a great day.